First, spaghetti. Second, tomato sauce. Third, bacon. Fourth, onion. Fifth, sausage. Sixth, spam. Seventh, olive oil. And that's all we need. Last ingredient. Get a fry pan. Get an oil. Put it in the fry pan. The fire. I'll mix it. I'll pour the tomato sauce. Tomato party. Now put the noodles. Oh my gosh. Now we'll mix it. Almost done. Let's go.
Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody for my own. I'm so lonely. Lonely.
불타오르네. Somebody save your soul, cause you've been sinning in the city. I know too many troubles, all these lovers got you losing control. You like a drug to me, a luxury, my sugar and gold. I want the good life every good night, you're a high one to hold. Cause you don't even know, I can make your hands clap. Go, I want your sex and your affection when they're holding you close. Cause you don't even know, I can make your hands clap.
Hello, Alex, Juha, and Treasure. Congratulations on your graduation. I'm so proud of you. This year has come with plenty of challenges. Adjusting to a new school, doing classes online, and just being a middle schooler. I'm impressed with the way that you persevered through the difficulties and came out definitely a stronger person on the other side. I know that all of you will be well prepared for the journey ahead of you in high school. Of course, it will come with its own new set of challenges, but remember that God's on your side. You only need to call out to Him in all situations. He will be there for you in your struggles and in your joys. Thank you for the ways you have blessed me as a homeroom teacher with your smiles, readings in the morning, and your sweet notes and cards. I'm so thankful that God placed each of you in my homeroom. I pray that you will continue to develop your personalities and gifts as entertainers, debaters, and adventurers. He has some awesome things planned for you, and I hope you're excited to see it unfold each step of the way. I love you all.
Alex song. Treasure umeguro. And now let's all stand and give our graduates a huge round of applause. Woo!